So to get a cute little rustic look for a table setting, you can just quickly reuse jars, decoupage something on it. You could put your initials, you can put, in this case, flowers, and it's a quick and easy way of not only creating your own custom glasses, you could use these as drinking glasses, but as a centerpiece. They just messed up my focus, but you guys get the issue. Okay, I fixed it. So they want to make my life harder than it has to be, because they just don't want me to be successful. But guess what? I want you guys to be successful, and I want to be successful. So I'm showing you a quick and easy way to create drinking glasses, centerpieces out of just old jars that you have already. And I'm going to make this really short because I don't want to spend too much time doing this. But all I did was took pickle jars. You get them from a pickle jar, and just made it something extra special. Thanks for watching.